Hakini ki kendiat banai belalej lade kren hi halor ka Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited. Kipat ba ke kren bat kenyum bet halor ke jing deko hakarukom sam boarding. Hendrai mentapat ki khubor kemi jan man lagasngi bat kini ki deipat halor ki kenrum kenram kamtam ke jing bamsap. Uwe ni ki engineer jong ka Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited akan katayo ulawan cakamat ban pensyai halor ke jing syak keno ki baharukom persya yau.
Haka katsan tarik menta ubna yayong arhajar arpaway, uway na ki engineer jong ka MEECL uba PK Chulet, ubalong ru president jong ka Coordination Committee of Registered MEECL Employees Association and Union, ulawan syakmat ban pensyai, halor ki jing keno persya yau, ki belami kubor hakikat tu kat ni kilat patai kubor, hakikindiat sengi balala. Haka jia kran bak kinong patai kubor haka ni kasngi hasilong press club uba PK Chulet ulong bahaki ni kikindat sengi lami kijing keno baharukam persya u haka baya day bat kisnem ki ba udang tre haka Directorate of Electricity. Kawai na kijing keno kadai bat ke Meghalaya State Designated Agency MSDA haka bala keno ba haka baya day bat ke babun ki kam kontrak ki ba hap ban penbenapat ba leng ba ke website jong ke MSDA leng ba ke NIC shim la penbena katkum ki kendon. Haka baya day bat kini kijing keno uba PK Chulet ula pensyai da kabawan rak ru ikikot kisla ban pensisya bala penbena ya kini ki kam kontrak haka website jong ke MSDA leng ba ke NIC. Halor kijing keno ba uba ni Damon Chulet ula yok kam kontrak namar ba udai shipara bat uba PK Chulet hendrai uba PK Chulet ula ong ba dan jing edai bat uba ni Damon Chulet hendrai ki edai tang na kajuk kakur kat ba katenrai ni kishnong kidai la kajong bat yakakam la ashu halor kikot kisla kibabyang. Halor ke jing keno baka jing tungkam ya ka ayala imsu namar baka dai ka kurim jong uba PK Chulet hendrai na kalyang jong new engineer ula kentat ya kani da ka baong baka ni ka brio kam dai satya ka kurim bat ka klam trai hiru haka Inspectorate of Electricity. Haka bia dai pat baka jing aikam supply ya ka MSIS Electricals lakenno baka ni u try jong kene ka company ka don jing dai bat uba PK Chulet hendrai na kalyang jong uba PK Chulet ulong bakat kum ka jing wat jing tip jong ka try jong ka MSIS Electricals ka dai ka Indira Slong ya ka ba ju itu menuru kumta halor kini kijing keno baro nakaliang uba PK Chulet haka ni kasngi ula penbena ba ula rai ban I no ru ya ka kam kumu president jong ka Coordination Committee of Registered MEECL Employees Association and Union.
There was also allegations about appointment of one Ayanla Imsu with claims that she is my wife. Well, I don't know who this Ayanla Imsu is. Because Ayanla Imsu is not the name of my children's mother. In fact, she never worked in the Inspectorate of Electricity. Finally, a serious allegation has also been made by linking me and my relatives to supply of materials in MECL in the name of Mrs. IS Electricals. This is baseless and completely unfounded, and which in fact can be said as simply fabricated. I have confirmed from the Material Management Department in MECL that the proprietor of Mrs. IS Electrical is in fact Srimati Indira Slong. I would like to say that all these allegations have been made to malign my image and damage my reputation. Friends, I presented the facts and figures and clarified my stand. However, since unfounded allegations have been made, and for the dignity of the Coordination Committee of Registered MECL, Employees Association and Union, CCORMA, and for the principle that it stands for, on moral ground, I am stepping down as President of CCORMA. I expect others who face similar allegations would do the same. As I exit, I would like to thank all the constituents of CCORMA for their unflinching support during my tenure. I was privileged of having the honor to serve as president of the coordination committee, which is fighting for what we believe in is right.